Let's see. Hot Pockets again.
I'm the Microwave Genie. I'm here to grant you 3 wishes. Fucker.
Oh, cool, Microwave Genie. Wait a minute, did you just call me a fucker?
No?
Yeah, you did. You called me a fucker. Fuck you, Microwave Genie.
Fuck you, you little punk ass
No,
bitch.
fuck you.
You're not getting any wishes now, you little pussy ass fucker.
Oh, you better shut your mouth, Genie. You better
Alright,
shut the
now
hell
you
up
think
right
you're
now.
tough?
Oh yeah, I don't know who the fuck you think you are, Genie.
Come on. I'll shove my foot so far up your fucking...
Oh, thank God my food's done. Man, what a fucking asshole.